Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use HLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use HLOOKUP, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this table. Okay, so this is employee ID, this is the name of the employee, this is their designation, date of joining and net salary. Okay, now I want that if I enter employee ID here, net salary automatically appear here. Okay, so for that you have to use this HLOOKUP function. So here you will see employee ID. Now first I want to create a drop down list, okay, to select employee ID. So to create drop down list you have to just go to data, then here you will see this data validation, click on it, click on this any value, then click on list. Now here you have to just click on this and now select this employee ID. Okay, all the employee ID you have mentioned in this table. Okay, then okay, then click on this again. Then you will see you can select any one of the employee ID. So I want to select this. Now for the net salary you have to use a formula equals to, then here you have to type HLOOKUP. Okay, select this. Now here you will see lookup value. So for the lookup value you have to select this cell. Now comma table array. So this is the table array, the whole table array. Okay, this is the table, you have to select whole table and now you have to lock this. Okay, so press F4. Now row index number, you will ask for row index number here, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is fifth number, so you have to just click on 5. Okay, net salary is fifth number, so you have to click on 5. Then comma range lookup, so I want that exact match, so you have to type false. Okay, then bracket close, enter. Now if you select any employee ID, okay, I want to know this one, you will see this is the net salary of their employee ID. You can match also. So this is 1005 and this is their salary. Okay, now click on it, go to home. I want to enter the comma separator, you have to just click on this. So like this you can use HLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.